Let me show you how to perform a first setup on OnePlus 15. So first of all, we'll need to power on our device. You can do it by clicking on the power key on the right side of your phone. It's this one right here. So click and hold it until your device starts up. You should feel a little vibration, then you can let go of that button. And now our phone should power on. In case for you it doesn't power on after that, make sure to connect it with a charger. That way your device will charge up and then it should power on. Now, next step when the screen lights up and you can see the introduction is to click on this arrow right here to move to the next steps. And then we can pick the language for our device. So choose whichever language you want to use. You can also go for accessibility settings to adjust the different settings like a font size and etc. In this case, I'm going to go for English and then proceed. Next step is to pick a region that we want to use on our phone, and we're going to go for the P Poland. Here it is. Let's move to the next step. There's the legal information. You can read through it by clicking on View Details for each of them. If you agree, go to the next step. Then you can set up this phone using your previous device. So if you plan on transferring your older phone to this one, you can go for Android device or iPhone or iPad. This is very simple. All you have to do is follow instructions on screen and then you'll be able to transfer your previous phone to this one. In this case, I'm gonna skip it. I want a brand new device. Now we can connect to the Wi-Fi network. I think it's optional. You don't need to do it right now, but I'm not sure. So let's try to skip it. Then we have unlock method. We can use password, fingerprint or face ID to unlock our device. In this case, I also want to skip it. You can go for anything here if you like. Now there's Google services and you can accept or disagree with any of the options below right here. Just read through them and if you're ready, click on accept. Now we have recommended services. You can enable or disable auto update overnight, global search, weather services, auto update system apps, internet, smart device making service, context aware network service, adaptive network service, enhanced intelligent services, phone manager services, VDC service, user experience programs, system stability improvements, AI service engine, quick connect. So I'll be explaining all of those settings in my other videos. If you're interested, you can try to look for them on my channel using a loop icon. Now let's agree with that and then we can move to the next step. Here we have our screen color mode. You can go for a standard or neutral colors for the screen and I think they instantly apply. So pick whichever one you prefer, there's not much difference. Then we have navigation method. You can either use 3 buttons on the bottom of your screen or gestures, which allows you to swipe around your screen to navigate. In this case, I'm going to go for buttons. You can also change the button layout to switch position for those buttons as well. Then finally, we're all set up. Let's go to the main screen and as you can see, our setup is finished. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.